everybody, it's Christina from cardmakingmagic.com. Now on the website, in the projects section, you'll find a little page on the altered notebook, and all this is just to change a very cheap 40p spiral bound notebook from Asda into something like this. And the thing that makes this look really special is the embossing that's on the front. So today I'm just going to show you how to get the embossed effect on the front of the notebook. So for my project, I've just printed off this very pretty floral pattern, and I just need to make sure that the element that I want, which is this piece here, will fit onto the front of my notebook or card, and it will, so I'm quite happy with that. And then if you use a quickie glue pen and some embossing powder, for this one I've chosen the gold, and all you're going to do is just pick out with your glue pen parts of the flower that you want to emboss. Obviously you're not going to do it all, just the certain elements that you want. So if you very carefully start to pick out the elements that you want to emboss and go over all the areas that you need. Now once you've coloured and glued all the bits that you need, you're ready to put your embossing powder on. If you can't do it all in one go, don't worry, just do a section at a time and sprinkle your powder on and emboss it, and then finish the rest off as you go along. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I've just done all of it together. Now if you then put your piece of paper onto a sheet of just scrap paper, crease it sharply down the middle, and you're now ready to sprinkle your embossing powder on. So I'm going to use a gold one. We're just going to sprinkle it all over the design. And once you've done that and it's spread on, just tip it off onto your spare piece of paper. And then you can now pour this bit back into your pot so that you don't waste anything. And we're now ready to start embossing the design. So now we can start embossing. If you just use just an ordinary little heat tool, please don't use your hairdryer. Your hairdryer will blow the dust all over the place and it's not hot enough, so don't use that. Just buy a little cheap heating tool. So if you switch it on, you're now ready to start embossing. And you're just going to go over the design. So that's the magic part. You can see it changing as the powder gets heated. Don't worry, your paper will lie flat as it dries out. And if you leave it to just cool down now, you're then ready to start working with the sheet of paper. But that's a very pretty effect. If you've missed any bits, just go back over it and put the glue pen in, sprinkle some more embossing powder on, and just finish off bits that you've missed. So once this is finished, now you're ready to make a card or the notebook as we did on the website, and you made sure that that piece would fit your card. So now all you need to do is just cut it out and glue it to the front of your card. It's then ready for you to embellish with ribbons or or gemstones, however you want. Or you can do as I did with the project on the website, and that is make your altered notebook.